Hello students, how are you? Good morning. So today we are going to talk about the exterior angle of a triangle and the opposite interior angle of a triangle, right? Suppose this is a triangle. If you draw this, extend this line, suppose this line is BC. If you extend this is an exterior angle, right? Suppose this line AB you extend it, this is also an exterior angle, and if you extend this is also an exterior angle, right? So these are the exterior angles, and you know that these are the interior angles, right? So the value of this angle, suppose we are talking about this angle C, if we name them E, F and G. If you are talking about ACF, the value of this is equal to, if we name them angle 1, 2 and 3, the value of this is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. The value of this angle CAE is angle 2 plus angle 3, right? And the value of this CBG, right? The value of this is angle 1 plus angle 3. So one thing you are noticing that here in a triangle there are three angles, 1, 2, 3, right? Their name are 1, 2, 3. So here you can see that angle 1, 2 and 3 is coming, right? All the angles of a triangle, here 1, 2, 3 are coming, here 1, 2 and 3 are coming, right? So now we are going to prove this property, that how this angle is equal to these opposite angles, right? So now we are going to prove this. So just make a triangle. This is a triangle A, B and C, and I have extended the line BC towards C to, and here is a point E. Till E, I have extended the line BC towards C, right? We may name them angle 1, 2 and 3, and also name them as angle 4. So if we are talking about the triangle, in triangle A, B and C, we know that by the angle sum property, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees, right? So just mark them, equation 1. And now if we are talking about this point only, if we are talking about a line BCE and here another line segment AC is there, so this point, at this point the line BCE is making a linear pair of angle. So line BCE is a straight line, right? So this line is a straight line, at point C they are making an angle. So sum of angle 3 and 4, this must be equal to what? 180 degrees, right? Why? Because they are linear pair. So if we name them equation 2, right? So if you look at these two equations, so here the right hand side of these two equations are equal. If right hand side of these two equations are equal, we can equalize the left hand side also. So by the equation 1 and 2, what you can write? 1 plus 2 plus 3. These are the angles of a triangle. And angle 3 plus angle 4. So here angle 3 is common in both the sides. You can cancel it out. So now from here you get the value that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Right? So one thing that should be clear in your mind, that here if we are talking about this external angle, right, exterior angle, and it is along with angle 3, it means the sum of this angle is other two angles of a triangle, right? In any of the point, if you extend here, this is included with this is along with this angle, sorry, not included. So this angle is along with that particular angle, so sum of this angle must be 2 plus 3, and here also sum of angle must be 1 and 3, right? So this is the proving part of the exterior angle and their opposite interior angles. Now come to the exercise 15b. There are some easy questions are there. We're going to discuss. So now exercise 15b, which is at page number 186. Page 186, and you know the writer of the book, that is R.S. Agrawal, right? Here, in the first question, it is given as in a figure is given in which this is the figure, right? A, B, and C. It is extended till D. You have to find it out this angle. This angle is 45 degrees and this angle is 75 degrees. This is given, right? So you know that the exterior angle value is sum of the opposite interior angles. So it means this angle must be equal to what? 45 degrees plus 75 degrees, right? So 7 plus 4, 11, 5, 5, 10. It means 120 degrees. Now, come to second question. Second question is saying there is a triangle in which one angle is 68 degrees, this angle is x degrees, this angle is y degrees. This time this exterior angle is given, that is 130 degrees. You have to find it out the value of x and y. So you know that this angle is the sum of these two opposite interior angles. So it means x degree plus 68 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. So x is equal to 130 degree minus 68 degrees. So just subtract it, 10 minus 8, that comes 2, and 12 minus 6, that is 6. So x is equal to 62 degrees. So this is going to be 62 degrees, and you know that you can take, means two ways there are, you can solve it. First is just take the triangle, the name of the triangle is ABC and D. So if we are taking this triangle ABC, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, right? So add these angles, plus y is equal to 180 degree, and you will get the value of y when addition of this is subtracted from 180 degrees. And if you are taking it at this point, this angle and 130 degree and y is making a linear pair of angle, and just subtract 130 degree from 180 degree, you will get the value of y. So value of y is 180 degrees minus 130 degrees, that is equal to 50 degrees. So the value of y is 50. Right? So now come to question number 3. In the given figure, you have to find it out the value of x and y. The figure is something like that. Like this. This time this angle is given as 32 degrees, this is x degrees and this is y degrees. This angle is given as 65 degrees, right? This is A, this is B and C, this is D. So you can just solve it that 32 degrees is and plus x degrees is equal to 65 degrees. It means this must be 32 degrees, sorry 33 degrees, right? So this angle must be 33 degrees. So x is equal to 33 degrees and you can find it out. Just subtract 65 from 180 degree, you will get the value of this y, right? So these are the 3 questions. Now come to question number 4. They are very easy questions. You have to just understand the concept of the exterior angle and interior angle, right? And you can easily solve it. Now come to question number 4. It is given that an exterior angle of a triangle measures 110 degrees and its interior opposite angles are given in the ratio of 2:3. Exterior angle is given as 110 degrees and so exterior angle is given as 110 degree and the interior angles ratio is given. Interior angle ratio is given as 2:3, right? So just suppose them as 2x and 3x. Why? Because some common part was eliminated from here, so that's why you are getting this ratio value, right? So and the sum of these angles must be equal to 110 degrees. So 2x plus 3x is equal to 110 degrees. So 5x is equal to 110 degrees. So x is equal to 110 degrees divided by 5, that must be equal to 22 degrees. So 2x is equal to 44 degrees and 3x is equal to 66 degrees, right? And if you want to find out another angle, the sum of 2 angles is 110 degrees. So the rest angle is 70 degrees. 180 minus 110 or 180 minus 44 plus 66. The sum of this is 110. So 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degrees. Right. Now come to question number 5. This is also same as question number 4. In question number 4, the ratio is given. Here it is given as both the interior angles are equal and the exterior angle is given as 100 degrees. So the figure is like this, right? These two angles are equal. So if they are x and this is given as 100 degrees, so x plus x, 2x is equal to 100 degrees, so x is equal to what? 50 degrees, right? So if this x is 50 degrees, this x is 50 degrees, so this angle also equal to 80 degrees, right? Right, so x plus x, 2x is equal to 100, so this is 50 and this is 80 degrees, right? So this was question number 5. Come to question number 6. Question number 6 is given. In the adjoining figure, you have to find it out. The figure is like this. Angles are given as 45. This is 25. And this angle is 40 degrees. You have to find it out. You have to find it out, just name them A, B, C, D, and I think this is E. Yes. So you have to find it out angle ACD, and second you have to find AED. Right? These two angles you have to find it out. First one is ACD, you have to find it out. The two angles are given, opposite angles are given, so you have to find it out the exterior angle, right? So this exterior angle must be the sum of these two angles. So 45 degrees plus 25 degrees is equal to 70 degrees, right? So 70 degrees is ACD, so ACD is 70 degrees. Now you have to find it out AED. So if you are talking about this triangle, this is extended, so you have to find it out this. So this is sum of these two. So this is 70 plus 40, so 110. Right? This was a very easy one. Now come to the next question. That is question number 7. This was 6. Question number 7 is given. A figure is given. Figure is like this is A, B, C, D. This point is E. Here the angle is 50 degrees, 100 degrees, 40 degrees, right? You have to find it out. First ACD, second angle ADC, and third angle DAE. These three angles you have to find it out. So first ACD means ACD. So if you want to find it out this angle, so this angle you have to find it out. This angle ADC, yes, this angle you have to find it out. DAE, this angle you have to find it out. So for finding out this angle, you have to first find it out this angle. So two angles are given, right? So 100 plus 40, 140. Sum of angle of a triangle ABC is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 140, that equals 40 degrees, right? So if this is 40 degrees, this is 40 degrees, so it means this angle must be 80 degrees. Because why? Because this angle is sum of these two opposite interior angles. So here 50 degree and 80 degree is given. This angle you have to find it out. If you are talking about this triangle ACD, sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So 50 plus 80, that is 130. 130 should be subtracted from 180 degrees. So you will get as 50 degrees, right? So this is 50 degrees. So there are two ways to find it out. This angle is, one thing is that you have to find it out this angle. It means this angle is exterior angle of triangle ABD, right? This bigger one. So you can find it out this, or you can find it out the linear pair, straight line here. DAE is a straight line. These two angles are given. So total angle is 180 degrees. So 50 plus 40, 90. 180 minus 90 is 90. Or just add them, 50 plus 40, it is equal to 90 degrees, right? So this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 50 degree, and this angle is 80 degree, right? So this was the question number 7. Now come to question number 8 and the last. This is the last question of this exercise. So question number 8 is saying they have given a figure. Figure is like this. This is A, B, C, and this is extended to D. This angle is given as 130 degrees. Yeah, this is the figure. And the question reads as, in the given figure alongside x is to y, the ratio of x is to y is given as 2:3, right? And the angle ACD is given as 130 degrees, right? You have to find it out the value of x, y and z. So you know that the ratio is given. It means suppose that these angles are 2a and 3a, the common variable part which was eliminated, right? So sum of these two angles must be 130 degrees. So 2a plus 3a must be equal to 130 degrees. So 5a is equal to 130 degrees. So a is equal to 130 degrees upon 5. So 5 2 ja 10, 5 20 ja 100, and 5 6 ja, so it means 26. So a is equal to 26. So just put these values. 26 2 ja 2 into 26, that is 52, and 3 into 26, that equals 78. So these two angles are 52 and 78, and this angle must be 180 minus 130, it means 50 degrees, right? So now we have completed this part, that exterior and interior opposite angles, and the exercise related to this topic. In the next video we will cover the triangle inequality, right? This is also a very good topic. You have to only understand about the basics only. If you means in this video you are able to see that if you understand the basic, you can easily solve the question, right? So till then, stay safe, stay at home, be happy, and practice mathematics. Thank you very much.